Hi, I'm Dr. Vrushali Shikhare. I'm practicing in Vrushali since last 20 years, and this is my second course with the RSD. And this second course I found very interesting, where composites are used, where we can give to the patient in their budget, like in a minimum cost, we can give their desire what they want. And best thing is, before doing anything in the mouth, we can visualize or we can show to the patient what exactly they will have in future or how they will look. That is a very touchy thing for me. I like that thing, and I'll try to apply all this thing and hope that RSD will support me. And it's really amazing. The courses are really good. I'll advise or I'll suggest you when anyone wants to do the digital, these are the one of the good courses and good team and good support. Thank you so much.